Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover GitHub password. To do that, you need to open a Google browser, click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in GitHub. This will open the official web page. Once you're at the official web page, you click on sign in over here on the top right corner. Click that. For you to sign in, you need to provide your email address and password. But this video is about how you can recover the account password. So for that, click on forgot password. This will open the reset your password page where you need to provide the user account verified email address. You type in the email address over here. Once you typed in, you click on verify. Now complete the verification process over here. And then click on send password reset email. Once you do that, you will be sent an email with a link to reset your password. You need to go and open your Gmail or a new tab. There's your GitHub mail. Click upon that. Then click on reset your password. This will open the page in another tab where you can provide a new password for your account. Type in the new password on the text box. Now you need to retype the same password as above in here. Then click on change password. Your new password is set successfully. So this is a way how you can recover your GitHub account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.